Okay, so we are going to go over this very common question, what brings you in Spanish? You say it all the time in the emergency room or in clinic. So we're going to teach you how to say it in multiple ways, from the hardest one to the most simple one. So let's get started. The first one, very simple. In Spanish would be ¿Qué lo trae a la sala de emergencia el día de hoy? That's Spanish for what brings you into the emergency room today. Now, I'm going to give you how to write it in Spanish, and I'm also going to try and give you the best English pronunciation at the bottom. As you can see in yellow here, ¿Qué lo trae a la sala de emergencia el día de hoy? Try to memorize it. If you can't, here's a more simple way of saying it. Still keeping it very professional in terms of tone. So the second one would be ¿Qué lo trae a emergencia el día de hoy? It's a little bit shorter. You're just leaving out the sala part. ¿Qué lo trae a emergencia el día de hoy? What brings you to emergency today? So again, with the yellow pronunciation, ¿Qué lo trae a emergencia el día de hoy? Now, if it's still too long, here's another variation that you can use. I'm actually going to break it down in two parts. You can say, Bienvenido a la sala de emergencia. That's the first part. That's Spanish for welcome to the emergency room. ¿Cómo le puedo ayudar? How can I help you? Bienvenido a la sala de emergencia. ¿Cómo le puedo ayudar? If it's too long, you can just say, ¿Cómo le puedo ayudar? It's very common to greet people like that, just straight to the point. ¿Cómo le puedo ayudar? That's the pronunciation at the bottom. Now, if it's still too long and you feel like you need a more simple way because your Spanish skills are still limited, you can just say, introduce yourself, and you can say Motivo de visita, which is Spanish for, reason for visit. Very simple and still very respectful. You're not rushing it. Motivo de visita. And they will tell you. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.